What's going on, Island Hoppers? This is a walking tour from Isla Mujeres. We're gonna walk around, show you guys this town. We're gonna take a boat from Cancun. Let's begin. All right, now we are headed out to the Sea Passion 2. So this particular journey takes you from the Cancun Marina out to Isla Mujeres to the port on one of these catamarans. It does take about 35 to 45 minutes to get there, and you will see that the seas were a bit rough on our way out. So you can see we're now arriving. I didn't get any snorkeling footage from this destination. You'll have to watch some of our other videos for that. But we did end up snorkeling for about 35-40 minutes, and then we headed to get some lunch. All right, so we're now getting off the boat. This is where they do lunch. See? Okay. So here we come to the ice bar, Isla Mujeres. And this is Jose, he's the El Jefe, the boss. Jose Cuervo.
Hey.
Sí.
So you can go anyway.
Okay. Hola, señor. Bien. You got a buffet here. And then, very nice. This right here. With some vitamin T. Just kind of going up here to see what's going on in this clubhouse up here. Oh wow, there's no person not up here. Very cool, very cool. Oh wow. This is the spot right here. All right, cool. So it's a pretty good spot right here. Still can't get over that palm tree right there. Just growing right in between the wood. Pretty good. Okay. So your area is called the Ice Bar. Playa Tiburon. Oh, that guy's just totally polishing those up. Tropical?
This will be.
Wow. Concho.
Bueno.
Alright, so we have now arrived at the Playa Norte area. This is downtown Isla Mujeres. Just got off our boat, Came over on a catamaran, obviously.
Make a single line, please.
Come on.
Hola, tequila, amigo. Amigo, I have the t-shirt that changed the color in the sun.
Oh, nice.
Change color?
Siempre. Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Our friend Jose, the mayor of Isla Mujeres, right here. Wow, look at that. Fresh seafood. No, thank you.
What you need? I got it.
Show you guys in there. Sí, amigo. Got these right here. Massage beds. One bar after another right here. Right next to Ultramar. Mar in Espanol is ocean. Ultra obviously being a lot. So we'll just kind of walk back along the beach here. If I went inland, you would just see a lot more shopping in the interior of the island. This is your first time to Island Hopper TV. So feel free to subscribe and watch some of our other videos from around Mexico. Wow, look at that guy. He just came in and put on a show for you guys. He's like, what do you got for me, buddy?
Plus I know you guys really just want to see the beach, the water. That's why you guys come to Isla Mujeres. Not too much for the shopping, but you can do some pretty good shopping here. Hold on. Oh wow, look at this.
All right, so as you can see, we did actually get a golf cart. We are cruising it around. It's $25 an hour. You can see we're just driving around the streets for about an hour here, going from beach to beach, exploring Isla Mujeres.
So here we are on Playa Norte. This is the main beach out here. Oh, they've got that seaweed. But yeah, you can go way out there. All right. So now we're coming up on the Tarzan Bar and Grill area here. Ah, we got Isla Mujeres right here. Wow. Like some coral reef or something over there. Nice little pool. You actually can't swim on this side. This is like the northeast side of Isla Mujeres. They've got a nice little boardwalk, some hotels, hotel studios, Ocean Drive. Yeah, this is like the northeast side of Isla Mujeres. So we're over here at Vale Mucho.
Yes.
And they got the crazy coconut right here. Crazy coconut. Hello, hola, señor. They got the whale sharks. They got those sharks. Amigo, ¿qué pasa the whale shark?
No, nothing with it. It's a no shark.
No shark here? No shark. Okay. No. Okay. Trying to figure out if they've got the whale shark here or not. They got the nurse sharks here. Do they have the whale shark? All right. Fresh coconut. Good way to hydrate. Perfect. All right, let's walk this side of the playa. Yeah, that's that Gatorade water. Another one of those catamarans. That's the way to get over here from Cancun. They drop you off at one of these docks. See, there's many of them. It's a way to import the tourists into Isla Mujeres over here at Playa Norte. Let us know in the comments where you guys want us to go around and film while we're here. We're going to be in Riviera Maya for a couple days here. We go right back through here.
That's going to conclude this episode of Isla Mujeres. Thanks to everyone who watched these videos, many across Mexico.
Oh, thank you,
Watch some of these other ones from across the country. Click on any of these, and we'll see you guys on the next one.